Hi guys, it's DK388 and today's video we've got the latest iPad mini unboxing and run through. We're going to be retiring this, believe it or not, this 12-year-old Apple iMini 2 from 2013. So due to software support, it still functions, but it becomes a bit laggy and the support just isn't there anymore. So this is the 7th generation model with the latest A17 chip. So using our favourite tool, we're going to crack this open. Just put the tablet to one side and see what else is in the box. So we've got some reading bump, usual lot, and then we've got a dual-ended Type-C cable, data cable and charging cable, about 1 meter long. So let's just unwrap this tablet. So first things it's noticed, it's a very light device, a very modern square edge, bezels around. And on the bottom, we've got the Type-C and some speakers. On the sides, we've got the connector for your accessories, and like your pencil. And up top, we've got the volume, more speakers, and then the Touch ID sensor. On the back, we've got the 12 meg camera. And this is the dimensions on the screen of the tablet. As I said before, it's a very light device. So this is the 8.3 inch screen, Retina display. And then just as we're going through the setup, I'll just run through some of the specs on this model. Using the latest A17 chip. And on the front we've got the 12 meg selfie camera with 1080p video. And then this Touch ID sensor for your biometrics security. And this uses the Type-C port. So no longer the Lightning port due to EU laws, I believe. And then this is from the iOS 18, and obviously just running through some green credentials, sort of recyclability of what it's using for sort of minerals, the copper and the gold for the internal circuitry. Out the box, it's 110 gig of storage, so 18's used up by the iOS, and just testing out the different angles of the display. It's meant to be fingerprint resistant, and it's laminated glass as well. And it supports your accessories like your pencil. So I'll just test out the audio. Just bump up speakers up to max. Not really have any complaints on the audio. And then the camera, I think it's just a very bog standard. It's not going to be replacing your phone for sure, but it's it's enough detail. It's sharp, so it's a nice have to have on the tablet. And then the video, you got 4K, 24, 30, and 60. So just an example of a setup of a photo from 100% to 300% digital zoom. And then this is the video. It might seem a bit jerky maybe due to the editing software, but some sort of specs on the image. And then just testing out the maps, testing out the chipset, processing power. As you can see, it's pretty snappy, very minimal lag. Just checking out some of the London landmarks. So yeah, no complaints on the processing power using the latest chipset, A17 Pro. And lastly, we're just trying out this aftermarket case from Amazon. If you're in the UK, I'll leave the description. I think it's about a tenner. So it's got a semi-translucent back and all your cutouts in the right places. And just put it into the snap it into the back, and all your corners protected. And it's got like a soft foldable front, so you can still access your buttons and your grills for your speakers. And you've got a full cutout for any accessories, attachments, and then the bottom for your charging. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description below for the Amazon shop. Yeah, but I hope this video helps if you're thinking of buying one. Thanks for watching.